Hi guys, and welcome to my video. It is long past due that I change out the rear tires that are OEM to this lawnmower. They're cracked, dry rotted, and have got to go.
Hey guys, Dave Anderson here. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, subscribe, my friends. Yeah, subscribe. I want to show you how to change rear tires on a riding lawnmower the easy way. I may be easy, but I'm not cheap. No, wait a minute. The other way around. I may be cheap, but I'm not easy. Yeah, that's it. So here's the problem. I have a regular size tire, which that is, I don't know if that came with the tractor or not. And the other one was going flat. You may not be able to tell, but one of these tires don't look like the other. And because the left side tire is taller than the right side tire, and that gives your grass an uneven cut. So here we go, got some new tread. That's a pretty cool design. They come from Marathon. I'll leave a link in the description if you like this kind of tire. But obviously make sure that you get the correct size tire for your rim. With this one, it actually has a traction layer because in Washington, it's really muddy around here, especially in the spring, early summer. Having a little bit of extra traction is really good. So these actually have a direction that they want the tire to be going. I think that's pretty dang cool. The tread pattern is awesome. Let's get to work. The very first thing to do is chalk the front wheels and get your favorite jack out, and we're going to lift up the rear end of this tractor.
While I do that, I want you to know that the first half of the video will be about removing a spare tire and mounting a new tire to a bare rim. After that, I will show you how to remove a tire from a rim with no special tools.
Odds are you're going to have the tires on just like this, so we're going to go ahead and pull this off. Now what you have in here is a split ring. You see that it is split there. Okay. And we can use a screwdriver to get that off, or you can do a split ring puller. I actually have a split ring puller. Actually, I have two split ring pullers. I really don't want to use this one. I mean, it will work. But let's just say that you don't have a split ring puller. Well, you can get your screwdriver right in here. Now this might pop out of there very violently. This one came out really nice. So just with a screwdriver, pop it out. A couple of washers. And the tire's off. Now that the tire is off, I want to grab this little key right here. And this prevents this part from spinning and allows the transmission to turn this tire. Make sure there isn't anything chipped or sharp on these edges, because this is where the tire is going to seal. All right, now, since this has a direction that it goes, and I have the valve stem on this side, there's the tractor. It's going on the right side of the tractor. So all of this looks like it's lined up. Okay, next step is to get some soap. There we go. All right. Okay. It didn't fight me too bad. Woo! Finally!
Without the beads of the tire being set against the rim, you'll never be able to fill the tire with air. Once you get an air pressure reading of at least 10 psi, you'll know that the bead has been set. Don't fill any more. Fill the tire to your desired comfort level below the maximum tire pressure recommended. Use a little bit of axle grease to glue the axle key into place.
Oh, the grease kept it on there. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Spin it to make sure it's on there. Looks good. There we go. So if you can't get it off that way, just grab a hold of the thing, rip the thing off. You know, it survived. It didn't even harm it. So, all right, that's off. There we go. All right, there's the key. If you can't find your valve stem tool, removal tool, improvise.
Few moments later. The next day. Well, that was a lot of fun. Not. Get out of here. All right. Time to put this one on. Let's get lots of lube on it, huh? Hey, what do you know?
I hope this video keeps you from swearing and cussing too much, trying to get your tires on and off. Sometimes it can be a bear. Stick with it. I mean, heck, I did it with a screwdriver. So if you have just a couple of extra tools, more power to you. You'll be able to get it done easier. If you learned something, please mash on that like button. If you really didn't like this video, press on that dislike video twice just to show me really good that you just didn't like it. So 2 times on the dislike video, once if you really liked it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.
Psst, hey, every day we're getting closer to that 1 million subscriber. So go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, smash on that like button. Thanks so much.